morning, everyone. And today we have planned a hike to some waterfall or something. So for now, guys, that's the plan. And I'll take you guys along on the ride.
Abu Ra Valley. The name of the valley is Abu Ra. Abu Ra because of the tribes that lived there around 2,500 years ago.
Wow.
From here
On the
we
way.
can only see a little bit of Medellin and
So what's up? I'm now going hiking. We got some boots. Amazing view right here. Nice drive here, actually. Quite fun. Quite steep hill. And let's see. So look, everyone. We're starting to hike right now, and we're going to this waterfall. So let's see how it is. The view. And these are ancestral trails. That's what this guy told us, and they connect to all the like little towns.
See. Emerald Tucan. You know, and over there we have the Oropendola, the backpacker. Yeah, he saw it. Nice, man. Look, the little green balls that we have over there.
Yeah.
They are usually falling down themselves from the trees. And with the guava, with the food, we prepared juices, pastry, candies like this one. This one is very traditional. It's energetic also, bocadillo. The wrap is banana peel, so it's okay.
From the street. So guys, you guys remember in Costa Rica, the only thing that I wanted to see was a tuca. Oh, look out of the road. And we actually spotted one just now. Super cool. So guys, as you guys can see over there, Pablo Escobar built his own prison. And it was first a real jail, but eventually he used it just to party and all that. So actually, they sent some other people to go and get him, but those got kidnapped those, and then eventually he got caught like a year after. Another poisonous tree that they use to drug people and parties and rob. Yeah, bro. Got a butterfly on my head. And it's amazing here, guys. Look at this view. Still on my head. Oh, gone.
Today.
Just when I thought it was gone, still there.
That one is very, very pleasant.
And we got the first waterfall. He's back. He's still. Water is freezing. Baby, you got it? Oh, look at this waterfall, guys. It's amazing. Man, so crazy, so beautiful, so green. Now, let's jump in. And cold. Super cold. Look where we are, everyone. It's an amazing place right here. Guys, that water is freezing. Freezing cold. But look at that view, man. And look up there in the tree, you can see all those bird nests, actually. And we spotted the toucan. Some bananas. Some tea. Cold water. Wow. Yeah. Now slowly hiking back, guys. And this is the route. Super nice.
Watch your head in the floor, be careful!
Guys, we're walking back. Look at this incredible view. Wow. Some cows. And we're almost back, so slowly heading back. The ride back.
It's a little bit better than
Right here. Just finished up the tour. Slowly walking back. Yesterday we didn't make it, but today we did make it. The food we got here. Some drinks. Drinky. Some drinks at this spot right here. Round number 5 or 4, 5. Started into feeling this shit.